So as you can see, I am vacuuming and smoking the bees simultaneously as I'm getting ready to remove the cover. At this point, you can see that I'm getting ready to remove the cover. I'm actually going to pull down a little bit on it to expose the beehive in order to be able to get to the comb.
All right, so this is what we got right there. All that honeycomb up in there. Bees, baby bees. You can see they're staying away because I smoked them, so they're kind of up in there. But it's a ways up in there to get those bees out of there. That way, as you can see, I pulled the plastic away to get to them. So a little bit of a scratching and things, but hopefully it's not too big a deal as we move these bees and back to it.